So I thought I'd do a video today to show I'm working on the 86 Blazer. What I'm doing is refurbishing the wheels. What I do is I'll start out and I'll spray aircraft stripper over the whole wheel, then go pressure wash it, and then you'll have a little bit of residue like that on it left, and then you can go back and sand it. As you can see there, all this has been sanded. That right there where it has the dark area, that's where a little bit of water was there. And anyway, but yeah, you can see the star shape of the wheels already sanded. So all I like is going around the rim here and getting what's left of the loose clear coat off of it. And I'll show the one on the back that I hadn't touched before I end up going back there and sanding on it. So here the wheels is finished out. I don't know with this camera, can't really tell much about them, but they do look a lot better. I did the hammer black inside, and I started out 220 I think, and then when I finished with the 220 I did the 400. The 220 is just to not loose wet clear coat that didn't come off. There that one is. You can kind of see more of a shine on it. It's got more light on it. And then I'm painting this little trim piece on the back. Most all the paint had come off of it. And then there's that wheel. And then here is this one. I went yesterday, and you can't really tell in there. Well, right there you can. I painted the frame. Did all up underneath.